To make this creative typography poster, I will use Instagram post square format, and first I will go to text and click on add a heading, and here I will write skiing. Okay, and I will choose the font as campground, this one, and I will make it bigger like this. Okay, and as you can see that S and K is not interlinked, so for that I will go to elements, and here I will search bend and use this graphics and just rotate it, zoom the page and just make it to the same size so that it looks like it is interlinked. Okay, so let's do that. So this interlink is done. Now I will just zoom out and select all of them and make it slightly bigger so that the ends are not coming here. And after that I will go to elements here, and as you can see I have chosen two skiing images, and the first one I will use it here, make it bigger so that it covers the picture, and after that I will just decrease the transparency to check if it is working fine or not. So it is working fine, and now I will just increase the transparency and right click it, go to layer, send to back. Okay, and select the text layer and make it white color, and also the shape. Okay, so this one is done. So now I will select the background and change it to another any color which I want, and I will just click on share and click on download and make sure it is in PNG and download it. And now I will come to Photopea and click on open from computer and open the image which I just created, and after that click on magic wand and just delete the parts. And the parts which are not getting selected, just right click it, click on quick selection, and hold on to alt in the keyboard and just select the parts which you want to delete, like this part and this part, and it is selected. Now click on backspace to delete it, and the deletion part is done, as you can see. And after that click on file, click on export as, and click on PNG, click on save. Okay, and open it again in Canva. Now click on add page and just re-upload the image which you just created in Photopea, and when the upload is complete just make it to the same size as the canvas and just crop it till here because we want just the text part and the image just beneath it. And after that just delete this background because you also don't require. And here I will go to elements and here I will type skiing and go to photos again, click on see all, scroll down to find a perfect image for our design, and I will choose this image and just cover it with the background part like this, and right click it, go to layer, send to back, and as you can see the image is highlighted here. And after that, just use this text here, okay, and also this graphic, copy it and paste it right here, okay, and select this one, go to FX and click on lift, click on 100%, okay, and just use this shape and cover it the text. Use the arrow keys in the keyboard if you are finding it hard to adjust. So the adjustment is done. If you want to get more highlighted, just duplicate it again and paste it right here. And also this graphic, copy it and paste it here. And just use the arrow keys in the keyboard to adjust it, and your design is ready, and you can make similar designs like this in Canva in just a few minutes.